So today we're going to do a fancier ponytail, but it's really easy, so stay with me. This is something I like to do when my hair is a little bit more dirty, kind of like needs a little extra something. You can wear this, just at home. You could wear it to an event, a wedding, just something fun and different. So the first thing we're gonna do is just pull these sides, like from the back of your ear. The parting doesn't have to be anything perfect. You're just gonna pull these forward. And so I'm kind of just separating the hair right above the ear. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna then take this hair right here and we're gonna make a low ponytail. Not too high, not too low, just a low ponytail. So I'll turn around and show you. I did add a little bit of teasing throughout the top. When you're doing ponytails or updos, it's always a good idea. Even if you don't want like a big poof, it just gives your hair a little bit more shape. All right, so I'm gonna turn around for you. You can see what's going on. Okay, just a normal low ponytail, and just kind of pull it out a little bit, give it some body and shape. Just take these pieces. I'm gonna probably leave like this one out. It'll fall out anyways though, so I'll just do this for easy purposes. You're gonna take it and you're just gonna spin it. Just spin it like this. When you get all the way to the bottom, you're actually going to kind of pull out these edges to make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so here we are. You're going to take an elastic, and you're going to just so there's that. This is easier than it looks. So this is just nice and loose. You're gonna put your hand through like this, and then you're gonna grab your ponytail. So you're just gonna pull that through like that, and then just pull that tight underneath. Okay, and at this point, you just shape it, pull out the pieces that you want in the front. Then I would probably just get a mirror and make sure that that's looking good. And again, it's like a good thing to have these coming down and wispy. But the part of like doing that flip, it just covers up the elastic and makes it look a little bit fancier. So not too hard. I hope you enjoyed this, and I mean, this has been like a 5-minute hairstyle, so give it a try, share it if you find it helpful and if you liked it, and that's it for now. See ya.